making today is the Ugba and Onions Oil. This is commonly eaten amongst the Igbo tribe of Nigeria. Local delicacy, best paired with roasted yam, boiled yam, fried yam, ede, which is cocoyam, cassava, potatoes, or any rooted vegetables. The ingredients we're going to be using for this recipe are salt, this is to taste, palm oil, ugba, also known as opaka, 3 medium to large onions, depending on how you love your onions. You can use less or you can use more. 5 sardines, clean and washed, 5 sardines. You can use any fish of your choice. Half cup of crayfish powder, grounded. 1 teaspoon of Cameroon pepper, 1 okpei, and 5 to 7 Scotch bonnet or yellow pepper, mixed peppers basically. So here are the ingredients we're going to be using for this recipe. So we'll start by chopping our onions. Now we're going to chop our peppers. So here we've got about 5 sardines. So I'm going to use about a teaspoon of salt to salt this fish. So I'm just going to leave this for about 2 minutes and then we're going to fry this. So we've got some hot water here. So just pour about 1 tablespoon first with our ugba. Put 2 tablespoons. I'm going to use my spoon to slightly dissolve this. Okay, so I think it's dissolved enough. And this is our sauce, ogiri. This is to give it taste, flavor, and also some natural goodness as well. So in our pot, we're going to add our palm oil, just over a cup. We're going to heat this up for 2 minutes, and we're going to add our salted fish to it. To add our salted sardines to the oil. To cover this with our cover so that it doesn't splash everywhere. We'll allow this to fry for about 3 minutes on each side. So we're just going to flip it to the other side. Just be careful because it's going to splash. So we're going to take out the fish from the oil. So to our oil, add our chopped onions. And we'll just mix it with the oil. Just allow this to fry for about 5 minutes. So that it's a bit tender and soft, not too hard or crunchy. Okay, so it's been frying for 5 minutes now. Add chopped pepper. We'll add the crayfish, Cameroon pepper, okpei. Give it a stir. We're cooking on low, medium to low, or low to medium. So just give this a stir. If you have more oil, add some more oil. Now to this, we're going to add our ugba or opaka. Give this a good stir. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. So we're going to add another cup of palm oil to this. Wow. Give this a stir. If you have cassava leaf or utazi, you can always add this right now. But I'm okay with the way this looks. This looks so yum. Just taste it for salt. 1 more teaspoon of salt, and then we'll stir. I'm going to place my fish on top of the sauce. So I've got my fish here. I'm just gonna place it back on turn off the heat and we serve.